Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It is right now, what, 4:42? I left my job about 3:30, I think, something like that. 3:30? Yeah, like 3:30. Um, they're saying that the storm is coming and everything, which I already knew it was going to rain and everything, but I'm prepared. I'm prepared, as you can see. I got my full helmet here, so, and I got me my boot covers, so my feet don't get wet. So I'm making sure I keep my leg away from this because I already got burnt marks. I ended up getting a little bit over here on the pipes, so I'm making sure I remember to keep my leg away from the heat. Yeah, but I mean, they're saying the storm is coming. It's just raining hard. The wind is definitely picking up. I can feel that. I decided to take the turnpike over here because it's a little more clear. And not for nothing, I ain't too crazy about the, what is it? I mean, when 21 is dry, I don't mind riding 21. Well, when the road is dry, but those grooves fuck anything up. The grooves on the asphalt. When you ride dry, you feel the bike shake. Imagine wet. And half those people on 21, they're always fucking speeding. So I figured the turnpike's more open, so even with some traffic. So I decided to take that. Right now I'm at, where the hell is this? I'm in Harrison. Yeah. Right by Wendy's. Right by 280. I'm underneath 280, actually. Yeah, so you can see it. Hey, there's 280 over us. See all that mad traffic? There's the Wendy's. Ooh, try our tasty bacon jalapeno. See, they just fucked it up. Jalapeno. Fuck that. I ain't touching that shit. But you can see everybody's trying to get home. Everybody got their umbrellas. Well, for the most, some people got their umbrellas. Others got garbage bags. Hey, whatever works, I guess. So, me, I'm prepared. I'm prepared, so I don't mind. So I'm good with that. Hey, Joe, what's up? What's up, Joey? Yeah, I'm still riding. I don't give a shit. Nothing's wrong with my truck, neither. I already knew it was going to rain and everything, but hey, what the hell? And it's not bad. I'm completely dry on the inside. So, it doesn't bother me. The rain, it keeps coming down, on and off, on and off, on and off. But the wind is definitely picking up. Because just as I was on, what up, Joey? Dude, one of these days I definitely got to go over there by where you at, dude. We got to hang a little bit. My number's still the same, though. So I've never changed it. Yeah, so I took the turnpike. I decided to get off of, 15W? Because as you go higher up on the turnpike, which would have been 15, I think it's 15E, I would have to go up higher, and the wind up there is actually kicking ass. I didn't feel like getting blown over, or even feeling that wind trying to push me over, so I decided to take 15W, take 280. Now I'm underneath it. Cool. Yeah, so I gotta admit, this rain gear or raincoat wasn't pouring over here in Queens. Really? Yeah, well, we're getting a bit of it. We're getting bits of it here and there. Hey, Eric, what's up, brother? Yeah, we're getting, the rain is coming and going. It pours, then it stops, then it pours, and it stops. Nope, I ain't wet yet. I made sure I was prepared. Hey, Vet, what's up? Nah, I made sure I was prepared. Screw that. I got my rain gear. as you can see, from Ready Refresh, which was free. Fuck Ready Refresh. But thanks for the jacket. Love it. And I got my rain pants, as you can see right here. Yeah, let me twist it around. I got my rain gear on. There are my pants, waterproof. And today I went to Cycle Gear right after work. Because the one thing I hate is when you're riding, the boots you're wearing, they're not always... All right, Joe, I'll talk to you later, brother. Yeah, because the boots, when you wear boots, they say they're waterproof, but once that water keeps hitting it, and you're getting the water coming off from your pants, and the water that's hitting directly, your fucking, what do you call this? Your boots end up soaking up, or the water goes down your leg, right into your socks. And I hate that feeling. So I got me this. They were only 20 bucks. They go right over your boots and they slack up all the way to the top. So, believe it or not, my toes are nice and dry. Well, yeah, I'm going to stay for a little while, I guess. Vet. I'm probably going to turn on the bike in a few. Head out. Figured I'd just talk. See how it is. Because I'm about to put this over here. Sorry about that. Yeah, the funny thing about this phone, even if I wanted to see through the windshield, it only picks up the thing that's closest to, what is it called? To zoom in on. And right now the closest thing is these stupid water drops. Like a cop. See, it keeps focusing just on this. Unless it sees cars, anything moving, then it'll go out there. But once everything stays still, it goes right back to the damn drops. Yeah, my phone is, luckily it's water resistant. It's not waterproof, water resistant. So I'm gonna see if I get my shit back on. Actually, you know what? Look at this one. Look at this. See, it goes right. It goes to the nearest freaking thing. It doesn't let you see over. Well, I'm gonna get that fixed. Eventually, I'm trying to get my damn. I bought a little fucking camera. See, it just glares off because it's trying to. There it goes. Somebody. Oh, you bastard! Damn phone. Nope. I think I just made it worse. Yeah, no. Let me see, maybe if I put it sideways. No, believe it or not, the homeless actually don't even hang under here. I think Harrison kicks them out. Harrison Cops kicks them out from underneath this bridge. They all end up at Newark Penn Station. Yeah, so... Oh, now it's pouring. Now it's coming down like crazy. It's funny, I haven't seen another rider out there. Oh yeah, me. But besides me, I haven't seen nobody else. Kind of sucks. Drink a little of the coffee. I never leave home without it. Hey, look at this. The Jets. We finally won a game. And we beat the Cowboys. Damn fags. I just love the coffee. My wife makes the coffee. And then I just add the other ingredients. Sugar, milk, whatever. But it's damn good. I'm thinking this year, if it doesn't really snow a lot, like maybe just a little itty bitty, I'm thinking to see if they got snow tires for this bike. You know, like those adventure bikes with the little knobs? Not the dirt bikes, that's different. Not the dirt bike knobs, the adventure bikes. Their tires are like knobby, but the knobs are wider. They're like thicker, but wider, not pointy. I might actually do that this year. For the hell of it. Maybe. It depends. Because I know in December 6th, you gotta talk to Vinny at Anchor. He's a Cowboy fan. Really? It sucks for him. Yeah, because anyway, when is it? December 6th, the Blue Knights, they're doing a motorcycle run, if I recall, December 6th. That run is going to go from Cheesequake State Park to Rockefeller Center with toys for the kids and stuff like that. State Police and New York Police are actually going to block, from what they said, they're going to block major highways. They're going to shut them down where the motorcycle run's going to be through, and major bridges. So we can all go through to go. Hopefully the snow won't be that high, but if it does snow a little bit, I'll still go on my bike on that run. So I'm going to definitely check out on snow tires for this bike. It'll be something different. Yeah, you're talking about that big black guy, the one that rides that uses that bucket loader over at Anchor. That's the one you're talking about. The real heavyset guy. Yeah, he's all cool. Matter of fact, I'm gonna bust his chops when I go back too. If I knew that, I would have busted his chops. No, I didn't even see him today. I was over there twice today and I didn't see him. When I do see him, when I go back, I am gonna bust his chops. See if he gets out of that bucket loader runs after me. Well, at least not with the bucket loader. That's too damn big. Well, I can see the flags in the on the Wendy's. The wind is definitely kicking up because the poles are like keep moving like this. So the wind is definitely picking up, and I can see the rain. It's raining, starting to rain sideways. So it's starting to actually come down. So I'm gonna get my shit ready so I can head out. Hey Vet, how you liking your retirement so far? Oh, guess what, Vet? Today, Ron actually, because I think already like 3 or 4 times I had to jump start the truck because those batteries were super old. Yeah, and I had to jump the truck a couple of times, and even today I had to jump start it because the cold weather started attacking it, and the batteries are old as fuck. Ron ended up asking me if I wanted to get a battery. I told him, no way, get the 3, because then the other ones are going to eat off of that. So went up there. I changed the batteries right on their spot. The guy, what's his name? Andrew. Went to Montana. Wow, you're really moving about. Let me see if I get my shit ready now. Yeah, today, the reason why I decided to go with the full face helmet, I don't mind riding with the half helmet in the rain because I wear my shades. The water doesn't really hurt me, anything, doesn't sting anyway. Is because just in case an idiot should decide to hit me really hard on the four wheels and decide to hit me, should my head dislodge from my body, at least they'll find it in the helmet. It won't be bashed in with a half helmet or my face dragging on the floor. At least they can find the whole head in the helmet. I gotta admit, I love this helmet, but I only really use it in the wintertime and when it rains. You know, but this helmet is a great helmet. One of the best helmets I've bought. I have helmets in the back in the tour. Hold on. Let me get this shit on. Love that modular helmet. I am going to buckle it up. I'm going to buckle it up so that way, should my head detach itself from the body after a good hit, it'll stay together. At least from the neck up. Yeah, but at least they'll find the whole thing. So if they want to do one of those casket viewings, even if the body's in pieces, at least they can put the head on the top. Close everything else, just leave the head. Yep, that's him. Let me put on my gloves. These are my winter gloves, but it's also waterproof, so. And plus, should I fall, I got the knuckle things. Go. I think tomorrow. I think tomorrow the weather's supposed to be good, so I'm keeping my bike out today. Okay. You probably won't be able to hear me because I'm gonna drop my mask down. So sorry about that. But I'm about probably like 10 minutes away from my house. There we go. almost home. Not bad. Not bad. Ah, the light's gonna change again. I made it home, safe and sound. I get to ride another day. Well, with that, guys, hey, Rick, what's up? Long time no see, brother. I wish I could see you guys again. Miss you guys. Well, with that, I'll let you guys do what you're going to do. I'm home. I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Time for me to relax. So I'll catch you out there, guys. Be safe. Love you. Peace.